Alright guys, so I'm in a short position. The reason why I'm shorting, honestly, is because I believe this is going to be now, like, I'm alternating my count. You guys can always say things like, oh, he's just changing up his account all the time. Yeah, damn right I am. Because that's what an Elliot Wave Analyst does, okay? I believe that that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, going like that. I believe that this is ABC. Okay, let's get this to a smaller degree, like ABC. And now I'm believing that this structure is actually doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, coming down, okay? First of all, I check this. I check this and I say to myself, all right, I know that the wave 3 is actually not as long as wave 1, okay? But then I say to myself, okay, well, if that's actually a leading first wave diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a leading first wave diagonal, then we know that the third wave is usually not the shortest, is usually smaller than wave 1, right? So now, once again, I'm going to do it really quickly for you guys to see, right? We see that wave 3 didn't even hit 1 to 1, but that's a traditional Elliott wave. I meant to say ending fifth wave diagonal, right? Or in the entire C structure. So I say to myself, okay, I take it from where point 1 was, where point 2 is, and whoa, it actually hits point 4 as well. And if that's point 3, then I just draw another trend line going like that. And it says to me that that seems like a very confluent place to actually be shorting right now, right? And I also take my Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci tool, and I say to myself, whoa, is this crazy possible? Or am I just crazy for seeing that based on the same angle coming down, that we're about to hit 500, right? That seems to make sense because we didn't break out of here. And you also got to consider all the shorts that are racking up, because there's so many shorts racking up. I cannot help but think that they are all going to get liquidated once we reach near 500 or 505 range again. And once they all get liquidated, we're going to get like a massive bull rally all the way to the 4th nearly, or maybe the 14th. You know, honestly, guys, I'm making some chicken noodle soup today, by the way. Woo! It's going to be really good. You guys want to hear the sizzle? Yeah! Making my base. That's how you do it. You know, if we would have broken out of it, we would have broken out of it by now, right? Like, think of that resistance that we're at right now in my previous tweet. I kid you not, that we would be flying through it right now with a lot of volume if the bulls actually wanted to try breaking out of it. And because we haven't broken out of it already, I'm sorry to say, but I think there's one more wave coming down. My chicken noodle soup, guys, is honestly one of the best chicken noodle soups I've ever had, and I wish I can share it with you guys. And you also have to think of how the market is reacting right now, right? Take a look at the bulls, for example. The bulls are not really that high in long positions, 57,000. Look at the bears, 95,000. So something is going on right now where these shorts are so high that once they actually close their position, it's gonna skyrocket. There's no choice but to have a gigantic spike, because if you want to close your short position, you gotta buy, right? So you gotta wonder, why is it not happening at this specific price point right now, right? Why the heck is it not happening already? And the answer is simple, is because there's a big coordination between the people that own the majority of these short positions right now, and nobody is liquidating it, which means that there's some group that's controlling a gigantic amount of shorts, and they're coordinating this very well. So you guys have to be very attentive today. Everywhere I go, this laptop is gonna come with me today. Everywhere, guys. I'm not gonna be going anywhere without it. And I'm just gonna be making my chicken noodle soup, and I'll show you guys how it turns out today, alright? See you guys later. Just want to give you guys my quick thoughts. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm just on my sofa chilling for the day now. I'm shorting BCH right here, okay? So shorting BCH for a really quick profit. This is gonna be like a ridiculously fast profit. You guys are gonna see. Alright? I shorted it right here because it's so volatile, okay? Stop looking at it on like a 20-minute chart, guys, or like a 30-minute chart, okay? Just honestly, look at this on the 5-minute chart. Look at this on the 3-minute chart. Look at this on the 1-minute chart. Anything but like a 15 or 20, you know, like, don't look at it on the high time frame, guys. It's way too volatile, right? You don't want to do it. You don't want to be looking at these kind of things on a really high time frame. Yeah, sure, we broke out of here, okay? Sure, we broke out of there, but it doesn't mean that it was an ending fifth wave diagonal. It didn't quite conform to it, okay?
You know what I mean? It didn't quite conform to what I thought it was going to, but that's okay. Like, that's all right for me. Like, that's where the original high was. Like, I don't know if it really broke out. I don't think. Like, let's draw it again actually to see. You know, like if I just draw like that, we're seeing it. Actually, we're seeing it like kind of get rejected right here, right? That's kind of exactly how we're seeing it right now. Like if I draw this extended a little bit, it looks pretty, you know, kind of like that, right? From where the first wave is. So this is definitely getting rejected again. My mistake. I thought that it broke out a bit earlier. That's 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? This is the ABC. That's so clear. And there's a fifth somewhere still down there. And yeah, I don't think this is gonna last, guys. Like, this is it. This is the ABC that formed already. Looking at the tension right now between the bulls and the bears, there's quite a bit of tension right at the 535 range, simply because we're like trying to break out of this range, right? Trying really hard. When you zoom out, there's your 1, 2, right? And here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and this is the fourth pretty much going up right now. That's why we're not breaking out of it. We're not breaking out of it because this is the 4. This is the ABC that's forming. ABC, in my opinion. I think there's like maybe a tiny subwave going up. Maybe not even. But man, like just looking at the level 2 right now, there's so much pressure to come down. Every time the bulls are even trying, they just get slammed back down to the 534 ranges, right? And these guys are, do you guys see that? It's getting filled at 535, right? 535, people are buying like 153, but the guys are just slamming it right back down all the time. This guy's selling like 21 at a time. Sure, people are buying a lot at a time, right? But it doesn't seem like it's enough for it to go upwards. I mean, I'm also taking my fib range of the entire thing right now, okay? I take the fib range of like this right here. And yeah, sure, we're right at the 0.5 Fibonacci level. That's why every time I look at it, like, see what I mean? We can't even break 535. So based on level 2, how are we even look at that, 533 already. Like, we're just dropping right now. It's so hard for the bulls to even make an attempt. And then you look at the bulls versus the bears, the longs versus the shorts right now. And what you see clearly is that nobody's really giving up right now. Bears are giving up a little bit, right? Some people are taking a little bit of profit, but look at the bulls just drop off the face. This is long, this is short right now. So yeah, that's why they're just getting hammered right now. That is also why I'm in a short position right now for $35,000. And my break-even price will probably be 535-ish. I don't mind risking 1%. I'm already up 950 bucks today. I'm playing. Alright, just following up on my short position here. Bulls are just getting destroyed right now for the bears, or by the bears rather. We are trending right at the resistance right here. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first wave is the biggest wave down, which I am okay with 100%. It looks like wave 3 is bigger in terms of moving more, but it's not, okay? Just because it's longer doesn't mean it is. So if you take your trend based fib extension, right? Like, I'm just gonna eyeball it. Take a look. Wave 3 doesn't even hit 1-to-1, right? So now we gotta wait and be extremely patient, see how this plays out. But you look at the level 2 and the bulls are just getting decimated. The bears are just driving down the price right now. There is just an insane amount of pressure right now by the bears to just drive it back down. I don't think this is gonna work out, guys. Like, we got our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC going up. This makes a dead cat bounce for the B. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with an extended fifth wave, sort of. Actually, if not that, then we got this one right there with a truncated one, right? One or the other. And then we get another wave right here to make 5 coming down for the 3. Exactly, actually. Like, it can't get any more precise, okay? Let me just draw this again here. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and this makes 3 down here. This makes a 4, and that makes a 5. You're still seeing this resistance right here. They're not breaking it, guys. This is simple here. This is just an ABC going upwards, like that. Okay. Look at the level 2. It is so bearish. We look at this right here and we just draw our trend line, okay, from where B pretty much was. And that is a major rejection right there, in my opinion, right? This is making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the very final wave coming down. Sorry, I didn't mean that. I meant this. 1, 2, and this makes 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, like that. And that makes a 4, and there's still a 5th wave somewhere down over there. I go to a different time frame and I'm just seeing, ugh, what an ugly candle of rejection right now. It's just huge sell-offs. So I still stand by my theory, guys, that there's still a wave down, right? To around 495, 505 range again. Okay, and this made complete sense. Like, if you guys are familiar with Elliot Waves, this makes complete sense, right? Where this is just doing the ABC, right? Are you guys surprised that that's just a very simple ABC going upwards? No, you shouldn't be surprised, okay? And that final push up there wasn't also a surprise either. There was the final attempt to try to give it a massive push to the break, right? On the upside. This made a leading first wave diagonal type structure over here, okay? And now we're just getting huge sell-off volume now. Yeah, with massive rejections. And if you guys also take a look at the long, oh sorry, the camera, you guys can't even see me. If you look at the longs versus the shorts, right? Some of the shorts got liquidated, which ended up causing that very little, or that spike there at the end. That ended up going up like, you know, 2% or something. And some of the bulls stepped back in. They're like, okay, we're going to try to buy a little bit. But nah, the bears just ended up racking up some more shorts again. That's why we see the wick on the bottom here of the longs. Alright, guys, this doesn't look like it's going up, man. I'll bet my life on it that's not going to go up, okay? I'm in a short position right now. I'm going to yield some pretty nice profit over here at 528 ranges. I mean, I look at here, I see a little blip. Okay, I see a little blip with a fake out where some of the bulls were trying to buy up, and then the bears also closed their position, which causes spike up to 537 ranges. But man, is it ever looking bearish on the level 2 right now. Look at this guy. This guy just came in to stack 400, stack 500. Whoa, is it ever looking bearish? He's driving down the price right now. Is Philakone going to close his short position right here? Yeah, come on, Philakone. Just give me a good short right here. Just close it. Come on, I'm right there. Yeah, come on. Just give me a close. Come on, give me a close right here. Come on, bears. Oh, look at this guy driving down with 500 over here. He's just pushing it down so hard. Philakone's going to close his position. Bam! Ugh! Another $430 today, guys. That's how you read level 2, man. Whew! Feels good. I'm up $13.50 today, guys. I'm up $1,350 American today. Wow. Woo! Feels good to be up 1,800 Canadian, guys. Bam! That's how you read level 2, man. I knew there was rejection. I knew that wasn't going to happen. Okay, I'm in a short position again right now. Reason why I'm in a short position is because of simple. Okay, I see this wick that rejected right away immediately already. And I expect this histogram tick to be non-existent almost, okay? Like literally nothing. Maybe 1 or 2 ticks. I also see either a leading first wave diagonal. I'm really unsure of the Elliott wave count. So I'm now switching it up to kind of RSI and price action, right? I see this right here as a possible 1, and this is 2 down there, right? And I don't know what the heck this is, right? No idea what this is right now that's going on, but I see it as a diagonal of some sort or even like a channel. It really depends on how we see it, right? I'm actually up I'm up a decent amount already. I'm up $50 at least already, so I'm gonna expect it to get all the way back down to over here even, right? Yeah, I'm gonna expect it to be like an ascending type of triangle. Yeah, there's a lot of pressure to come down. Even though this guy's stacking a lot right here, doesn't matter. 65, he's grinding it down right now. 31, 20, 60. Man, that's a lot of people grinding it down. That 344 is not going to hold. 10. Look at this. 18. Man, people are just driving it. He's not going to hold it. It's completely gone already, okay? He already loosened up to 37.51. Oh my god, 36 ranges already. This is kind of crazy. Oh my god, am I going to actually get another really close, a really super fast market execution over here? Am I going to get it? Am I going to get this right here? Check this out. Am I going to get this? I think I'm going to get it right over here. This is going to be a really fast trade, I can just tell. Oh my god, that's me over there, coming over there, already over here. I already see myself on the map. That's so quick, this trade. Do you guys see me coming up right there? I'm right over there. It's coming up, it's poking up. We see this possible fifth wave diagonal type or leading first wave diagonal, right? 1, 2's here, 3, 4, and that could be the very fifth. If there's a fifth, it could drop down to like 527. Very likely to break down. Check this out. This is most likely just the quick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's see if it breaks down. All right, guys, check this out right here, okay? 1, 2, 3, ABC makes the 4 here, and here's the fifth wave diagonal. That's just about to form right there. I don't think it's going to break any harder than that. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and bam, we're going to break down hard. What kind of position am I in right now? I'm in a $42,000 position, I think. I'm in a $37,000 position. Let's see, guys. Let's see. I'm going to make a really killer profit here, man. I'm going to make like 400 bucks, 500, something like that. Oh my God, there's the drop. There's the drop. I'm coming in. Come on, just fill my position. Come on, just give me a close. Come on, I'm right there, baby. Oh no, I created a wall there. You guys see my wall that I created? That's not a good wall. It's okay though, we're dropping. We're getting way lower RSI. Check this out, we're getting to see this way lower RSI despite the same price point right there. Oh yeah, someone's gonna close it. Someone's gonna close it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. Come on, come on, come on. This is a pretty fast trade. Oh, we're getting it dumped. We're getting it dumped. Come on, just a little bit more. Come on. Yeah! Woo! There we go, guys. 2,000 American dollar day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. $22,000 American day. Woo! Dude, this was a good position, man. This was a 1.5% scalp. I'm up $2,600. Oh, pinch my nipple. Everybody come here and pinch my nipple. It feels so good. Ooh, look at me. I'm pinching my nipple. Oh, 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 it feels so good. I'm going to shatter this resistance with them, okay? Watch, watch. Just at the very end, though, I want to make sure that it's actually going to break. This guy bought 40. Okay, he bought 40. I buy 40 too. There we go. That's an okay amount right there. There, did you guys see that? You guys just see that right there? It just broke right there. Did you guys honestly see that? How fast it broke, eh? Because I was waiting till the very end for it to actually break. Right? I was waiting for the very end for it to break. So now I'm going to do this. Just watch this. 33.54. If this spikes up, you guys are going to laugh so hard if this spikes up, okay? Let's see if I can actually sell it. Because I'm right there now. I was just waiting for it to break just super duper quickly right there, right? I'm literally like right up ahead there. So just like only 60 have to buy more. Then they're going to spike it up right here. Just watch. Just watch how quickly this profit's going to be. This is just called pure skill right there. If it actually breaks up. No, it didn't break upwards. Damn it. I completely threw that one. I completely botched that one right there. But I do think this is ABC, like coming down already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's AB. And then there's going to be one more wave going up. Maybe it's going to hit 527 again. Maybe. Woo! Pinch my nipple. Oh, it feels so good. Philakone now officially up $2,000. Oh, pinch my nipples.